I'm Florian Schaub, and I'm an assistant professor at the University of Michigan School of Information, and my research combines privacy and security with human-computer interaction and public policy. So transparency and control are important aspects of privacy laws and regulation, but at the same time, current approaches towards privacy are surprisingly ineffective at informing consumers or helping them make informed decisions. So we're looking at how can we more effectively inform users and really help them in managing their privacy, even in complex technological systems. So in recent work, we analyzed existing privacy notices and controls and related research to identify the key dimensions that really make notices effective, namely, when do you present them, how do you present them, where do you present them, and how do you integrate controls in them. And what we are proposing is that rather than just having a privacy policy that no one reads, these privacy policies need to be complemented with user-centric, contextualized notices that are easy to understand, relevant to the user, and actionable, so they integrate choices in a meaningful way. And one way to prioritize what information to emphasize and highlight to consumers is by focusing on unexpected practices. What are the things that are really surprising to users? So we conducted studies to, for example, identify in the context of wearables, fitness wearables, that show that people expect that these devices collect your steps, but it's more surprising to people that they also can infer your location. So that's probably a practice you want to highlight. In related work, we also found that by making invisible data collection more transparent and visible to users, we can get them to not only review their privacy settings, but actually make changes and adjust their settings in a more meaningful way. I'm also interested in studying privacy in the context of emerging technologies, such as the Internet of Things. And we've been developing context-adaptive privacy mechanisms that leverage available context and information to automatically adjust systems to users' needs. So for example, we built a calendar display that automatically adjusts what events are shown based on who's in the room and your privacy presence for these people. So overall, my research really aims to support consumers and users to effectively manage their privacy, even in complex socio-technical systems. And it shouldn't really be the case that when we want to have technology innovation, we need to give up our privacy, but rather my research shows how technology innovation and privacy can be combined in a meaningful way.